Alright, so I'm just going to jump right into the video. For those of you who are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Mariah and thank you for stopping by. Y'all probably wondering why I got this dishwashing liquid here, but trust me on this. I'm going to use it to get all of the glue off of our lace front wig. As y'all can see, this wig is looking real crusty and old. This video is actually going to be two parts. The first part will be how I remove the glue from the lace, and the second part will be how I bring this lifeless wig back to life. So please look out for part 2. Please like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications. So I have my kettle water boiling because for this DIY, you're going to need some hot water and that dishwashing liquid that you guys saw earlier. Honestly, it was very stupid of me to try to use the sink for this, but don't judge me. You're going to see that I did in fact switch to a bowl later on. It made my life much easier. As you can see here, I'm just mixing the soap into the water. Now you're going to see me dip my lace into the water, and I'm going to keep doing that. Every now and again, you're going to see me use my fingernail to scrape some of the glue off. Look at how easily it's coming off. You really don't even have to do much. The fact that this is so simple, easy, and quick is really crazy. Okay, so this is where I finally switched to the bowl. It's a better angle for you guys, and I should have just did this in the first place, but it's cool. To speed the process up, I took a washcloth and gently rubbed the remainder of the glue off. And there you have it. So simple, so easy, so quick. I hope part 1 of this video was extremely helpful for you guys. I've heard and seen so many videos of people using glue remover or rubbing alcohol, and while that probably works, it takes forever, especially if you have as much glue as I did on your lace. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications so you don't miss part 2 of how I restore my old wig. And don't forget to tell your friend. Bye guys, and I'll see you in my next video.